My research project was looking at how forest use impacts dawn chorus singing in birds. So whether the timing of their singing changes in primary versus secondary forest. And I was looking at forest that has been used by people versus forest that hasn't been used by people. Human use of forest changes the light availability in the forest. My hypothesis was that birds would sing earlier in a secondary forest because the light is hitting them earlier. But we found that that wasn't really the case. Birds sing both earlier and later in secondary forest.
Well, my specific project was focusing on spider guilds, which are behavior patterns, so web weaving and hunting and wandering spiders, and their densities across the different areas we sampled in. So we sampled from primary forest that had never been logged forest that was regrowing, and oil palm plantation, which is rapidly spreading throughout Southeast Asian tropics.
So I was assessing the logging effects on insect community structure and how it changes abundance and diversity within different groups. So when you look at a primary rainforest insect composition versus secondary, and that compared to palm oil plantation, how do the groups differentiate, as well as what are we losing when we cut down the forests that we, should have everywhere?
My favorite part of doing research this summer was the opportunity to do it in such a unique and beautiful place and to experience a part of the world that I've never been to before. The tropics are absolutely amazing and understudied, and it was amazing to have the opportunity to be able to contribute to our understanding of the biology of that environment.
So the birds in Borneo were just like these insane colors that I've never seen in nature before. So getting to see that, and not just seeing it, but getting to hold the birds too, was just like super cool.
My favorite part of doing research this summer was getting that hands-on experience that I was really looking for, especially because I'm getting into conservation biology and want to work with birds. I was able to work at an active mist netting station and actually handle birds, take measurements, take blood. And it's really hard to get that experience otherwise.
Favorite part of doing research, especially in Borneo, is the soundtrack. Every morning we would be greeted by different birds, monkeys like gibbons and different macaques. And it was probably the most lovely soundscape to try not to fall asleep to at 6:30 in the morning.
Borneo was an amazing place to learn, and it was definitely very challenging. I feel like in some ways before I started this, I thought it would be like a vacation. And it was a lot of hiking and falling down and terrestrial leeches, which just a blast to work with. But getting to experience that and push through it and work on my science project, individually was an amazing experience. And I don't think I'll forget it.